The demand for durable moving supplies continues to grow as homeowners, movers, and businesses seek reliable ways to protect valuable items during transport. Just as mechanical keyboards are judged by their build quality, layout, and performance, SureMax offers a set of 12 heavy-duty moving blankets designed to deliver maximum protection for furniture and valuables. These ultra-thick blankets feature a reinforced design with superior padding to prevent scratches, dents, and other damage during transit. Each blanket measures 80 by 72, providing ample coverage for large items such as sofas, dressers, and appliances. The durable construction includes tightly woven polyester binding for long-lasting use, while the heavy cushioning absorbs impacts effectively. Despite their thickness, these blankets remain flexible, making them easy to wrap around odd-shaped items. Perfect for homeowners or professional movers seeking a reliable and reusable solution. SureMax ensures your belongings stay safe and secure during moves or storage. The U.S. Cargo Control Heavy-Duty Moving Blanket stands out for its premium weight and superior protection. Weighing 95 pounds per dozen, these blankets are among the heaviest on the market, providing exceptional cushioning for high-value items. Constructed with durable cotton and polyester blend fabric, they resist tearing and withstand multiple uses without losing effectiveness. Measuring 80 by 72 inches, they offer full coverage for large furniture pieces and appliances, ensuring scratches and dents are minimized during transit. A key advantage is their machine-washable design, which allows for easy cleaning and extended usability. Whether you're a professional mover or someone relocating a household, these blankets offer the perfect balance of durability, weight, and convenience for repeated heavy-duty applications. List number 3. The WEN 272812 heavy-duty padded moving blankets provide dependable protection at an affordable price. Designed with a strong blend of fabric and inner padding, these blankets absorb shock and prevent damage to delicate surfaces during moving or storage. Measuring 72 inches by 80, they offer a standard size that fits most furniture and appliances. The padded interior ensures that even fragile items stay safe, while the reinforced edges prevent fraying and extend longevity. These blankets are ideal for DIY movers and professionals alike, offering versatility for a variety of applications beyond moving, including storage and floor protection during home projects. Lightweight yet durable, the WEN 272812 blankets provide a reliable, budget-friendly solution for protecting your belongings. This 12-pack of heavy-duty moving pads provides excellent value for those needing multiple blankets for a big move or professional use. Each blanket measures 80 inches by 72 inches and weighs 35 pounds per dozen, offering solid cushioning for household furniture and appliances. The durable fabric blend resists tearing while ensuring sufficient padding to guard against scratches, chips, and dents. While lighter than some ultra-heavy options, these blankets are easier to handle and fold, making them practical for quick moves or temporary storage. They are also reusable, making them an economical choice for individuals or small moving companies. Whether you're wrapping furniture, covering appliances, or protecting valuable equipment, these blankets deliver dependable performance at a competitive price point. Number 5. Simpli-Magic's heavy-duty, padded moving blankets offer robust protection with a focus on versatility and value. Each blanket is crafted with thick padding and reinforced stitching to handle repeated use without fraying or tearing. Measuring 80 inches by 72 inches, they provide full coverage for larger items while remaining flexible enough to wrap around irregularly shaped objects. Sold as a 12-pack, these blankets are perfect for homeowners tackling a big move or professional movers needing reliable gear. Their cushioned interior absorbs impact and prevents damage to surfaces, while the dark-colored design hides stains and keeps blankets looking neat over time. A great blend of affordability and performance, the Simpli-Magic blankets are an excellent addition to any moving toolkit.